Let's get a little more specific, starting with the VeeCAN 700. Thanks to its large screen and thin bezel, the 700 can be mounted pretty much anywhere. Electrical cabinets, vehicle dashes, you name it. The 700 fits in our hardware lineup as the big brother to the VeeCAN 500, using the same M12 connectors and mounting solutions. In regards to I/O, the 700 sports several connectors on the back, including a USB connection. The USB is used for software reflash and data logging. For an in-depth review of the resource options on this device, the datasheet is available on our product wiki. Let's take a look at the software running on the display. This is the template application that is generated using Raptor Dev. You may think the display is off, however, this application allows me to configure the brightness over CAN. As I increase this value, you get your first glimpse into the demo app. Using the swipe function to change screens, you can see there is a variety of examples throughout the display, such as digital outputs, data logging, and informational text. I hope you enjoyed learning about our Raptor displays. Make sure to like and subscribe as we bring more content from our team to yours. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.